So with so much of success seen using Androwash by Subhag, what do you think of the Androwash machine?
Madam, I think it's a brilliant innovation because for the first few cycles, myself, my OT technician, my lab technician, and my general manager, all four of us used to be standing there and we used to read the instructions and then change the pipette, change the test tube. Now I don't even have to go. My OT assistant does it better than me and
Yes,
faster than me. And
yes,
he has the steps learned all by heart. So basically, it is a very simple procedure. Once you start doing it, then you and your staff can easily pick it up very quickly and keep continuing doing it. Personally, I am very happy with Androwash by Subhag, and the simplicity, the ease, the cost efficacy is very good. So even if they have another IUI machine, they can easily have this as a backup machine. Those people who are not doing IUI and wish to start IUI, then I think Androwash is a great place to start with. Probably if they start with Androwash, they won't move on to anything else. It's been 6 months since we have started with the Androwash by Subhag, and I think we have already had 4 or 5 successful IUIs.
it's wonderful.
So definitely it has definitely we have seen an increase in our success rate. Compared to only what ovulation induction we were doing,
Yes.
addition of IU has definitely helped a lot.